How do you create a seamless user experience across different devices? In order to create a seamless user experience across different devices, first things first, I prioritize mobile first design and then start by designing for mobile devices, ensuring a smooth and focused experience for smaller screens. Furthermore, I use responsive design techniques and then employ fluid grids, flexible images, and media queries in order to adapt the layout and content based on the device screen size. Additionally, I also regularly test the design on various devices in order to ensure consistency and functionality across different platforms, and then consider touch interaction in order to optimize the design for touch-based interaction on mobile devices, such as larger tappable areas and clear call to action buttons. Then I streamline the content and also prioritize and present essential content prominently while considering the limitations of smaller screen. And then finally, I make sure that I provide a consistent visual language that manages visual consistency in terms of colors, typography, and overall branding across different devices. And that's beautiful, guys.